OSHA introduced Lockout Tagout since year 1989. Over 30 years, this OSHA standard still continues to be the top 10 most cited standard in the world. Lockout Tagout is one of the best way to prevent workplace accident. For this prevention procedure, have you started already? Remember, must always follow the LOTO procedure. Lockout Tagout is not just a device, it is an important system. Make sure you understand this system before you start. And what is the standard procedure for lockout and tagout? There are 8 steps to follow. What you need to know before you apply is: what is the control device for your machine? And how many types of energy sources that you have? Always remember, shortcut can be compromise your safety. Let us to help you to protect your most valuable asset. Prevention is better than protection.